Hello guys, it's Johnny from Simple Drinks. Welcome to another cocktail video. Today I'm going to show you how to make one really strong cocktail. 3 ingredients only, real simple to make. So without further ado, let's make a Borodino. So Borodino is a real easy cocktail to make. We need 3 ingredients only, like I already said. We need Cointreau, gin and vodka. And it's a shaken cocktail. You have a lot of alcohol volume in these drinks. So this one's probably gonna get you wasted really quickly if you drink more than 2. So let's get it started. First we are going to start with Cointreau, 30 ml 1 ounce. And we're going to add that into our shaker. Followed by 30 ml or 1 ounce of gin. And last but not least, 30 ml or 1 ounce of vodka. Now we're going to add ice into our shaker. Yeah, that's about it. And shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Yeah. Beautiful. And strain the cocktail into a pre-chilled glass. I'm gonna just dump this ice here. I'm gonna double strain it to get rid of the excess ice. So ladies and gentlemen, a Borodino. Cheers! Oh, really strong. You can feel the Cointreau, the orange, and you can feel the kick from all the alcohol in it. But it's really nice, really nice. Good cocktail, but don't drink more than 2 if you want to stay sober. And boys and girls, we made a Borodino today. Real easy to make. Try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. Be careful, don't drink more than 2. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Your support means everything. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.